Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's right. Welcome to Character Modeling Week 2. My name is Adam Rositzky. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Just a quick announcement. My apologies. I haven't got a chance to take a look at everything since Friday. I haven't got a chance to post on the discussions and send a second announcement like I usually do. I had surgery on my head. Just had a couple cysts removed and it took a lot out of me. I just got the bandages taken off yesterday, so that was kind of nice. I look like one of those big mummies with it on there. But yeah. Helmet feels better. Hair is just trying to get the scar to remove. It's still right here. You can kind of see it right in that level right there. So yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, so good times. But yeah, I had to deal with that this weekend. So I'm sorry if I was in the hospital. I had a bad reaction over some of the anesthesia, but other than that, we're okay. So I'm going to try and catch up as best I can, take a look at your grades as quick as possible. But I figured I'd go through what this week was. So again, my apologies for missing out this week. And just with the problems going on. It's been a wild run, man, with the baby and this now. So, yeah, good times. All right, let's get into it this week and see what you got. So, like all the other weeks, we're going to be getting into actually building the model out. I'm going to take a look, give you some feedback on your character turnarounds and go from there. But this week, the first week is just the first pass of your model in 3ds Max. So what you're going to do is, much like y'all have been through my class before and seen it, you're going to send your references or your character turnarounds to your image planes. That's going to be your reference. So when you set up the image plane and everything, image planes are planes in the world which is identified with the plane of the display monitor and used to view the image that is being rendered. It's also referred to as screen space. It's like taking a photo but using the screen to lay out the image for a film like a camera. This also establishes the mapping between pixels and also creates origin points to help you establish where everything's fixed and origined at. Is really the main thing. Now, plane is not actually a 3D screen, but it's instead like usually a collection of target coordinates or dimensions that go along with that. Now, with your turnaround, they become your reference image. And your reference image is pretty much the image that sits up on the 0, 0, 0 coordinates and kind of shows you what height you want, whatever's like. You can kind of build your model using the reference image as like a tracing point, which is huge. So you want to create your plane, drag until the desired size, use coordinates 0, 0, 0 to place the planes. Rotate to the front view, also place one on a side view as well so you can see the side images. Works really well. One important fact to know is make sure you match the ratio of dimensions of the plane to the image. 1:1 works really great. If not, if it's not done like this, distortion is going to occur. So keep that in mind. That's a big thing. Another aspect is when you're importing the image, it's really crucial. So when you have your character turnaround, you want to make sure you open the material editor, shortcut for it's M in the keyboard, click bitmap and find your saved image in the files. This is your character turnaround. So what you're going to do is you're going to save it in the material editor and then drag it the image to the plane itself, and then it'll populate the plane. Just make sure to click the view image texture button to see it on the plane. That's a big thing. And it's located from the fourth icon to the right in the line of icons in the material editor. So that's something to keep in mind with. So yeah, that's what you're going to do with your character turnaround. You're going to put them in your reference image and start working on your models. Speaking of which, let's get into that a little bit in just the announcements of it. So I posted your rubrics. They're up there. So this week is the mask rubric. This week is the discussion on masks. So what I want you to do is find a image of a beautiful person in your mind, an image of a person that's not so beautiful, and I want you to take the NBA mask and apply it onto those images. And I'd like you to, in a few sentences, explain to me like one paragraph each for each example that you have. I'd like you to go into detail about why it works with the mask, what works, what are the features that do work, if they're considered beautiful by the NBA mask and the Greek mythology concepts of the golden ratio. And then the same thing with the one that's not so fits the mask. Why does it not fit the mask? How does it not go about it? What are reasons that make it like that? And I'd like you to go into that. So now for your reply post, if you can just post one reply, that's fine. I'll make sure to post a discussion this week so that way you can get a little bit of what I can throw in there and make it a little easier. Plus, it'll at least give you a post to respond to. That way you have it. So that's a big thing. So yeah, that'll be good. I'll make sure to do that. I didn't do that last week because I was in the hospital for a couple of days, so I apologize about that. But that should be done. All right, and then finally for your course project, we get to start the character modeling. So I'd like you to start on the character bust. That'd be great. I'd like to see at least 33% done. You don't have to give me the project file, but I'd just like to see some JPEG images. That'd be great. So one on the front side and one from the side view or the rear view. I should see like the over model. You shouldn't see any areas where you see the facial features, or like it should be just the overall like character bust shape. That should be really it. Now, if you go further, that's fine. Just let me know about it, that you went further, like added eyes or added mouths, added a couple other features that make it more to it. That's pretty much what I'm going to be looking for. But other than that, that's it. That's all I got. Do keep in mind that your initial post for your discussion is due tomorrow night, and then your reply post is due on Saturday, as always, and then your first pass of your course project due on Sunday. Do keep in mind, first pass. So I'm looking only for about 33% done. So it should be just like the model shaped out and blocked out. That's really the big thing. And then the next week we'll go into adding facial features and like creating a mouth or a nose, and then adding ears and eyes for week 3 and detailing it. No hair, no other things added. Other than that, that's pretty much it. All right. All right, cool. Looking forward to this week. Hope everybody has a great week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody later. Have a good one.